Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today let's talk Sips By and Valentine's Day because this is a special Galentine's Day box that Sips By has sent me for review. So I am anxious to get in here and see what we've got. So let's do it. In case you don't know, Sips By is a $15 per month tea subscription box. And with my code below and the link, you can get $5 off your first box, so it will only be $10 for your first box. These are special boxes. They send boxes out monthly, but now throughout the year, they're doing special boxes. And this is the Valentine's one, Galentine's one actually. So I am anxious to see what we've got here. So I'm gonna open it right up. And we have a card on top. We'll read about that. And it says Galentine's Tea Party Box. Made for friends. Instead of normally it says made for Catherine, it says made for friends. And it's the Galentine's Tea Party Box. That is already so cool. So in the Sips By subscription, each month you get 4 different teas. And of those teas, you get 4 servings. They say 4 servings because a lot of times it's like 4 tea bags, but I think you and I both know you can use a tea bag more than once. At least I hope you know that. Most tea bags you can definitely use more than once. So if I look at this card they sent, it's the Galentine's Day Tea Party Box. Well, that makes me want chocolates, so let's hope they deliver. Looking to celebrate the most powerful love in the world, the love between gal pals? Throw your very own Galentine's Day tea party. Need some hosting tips? And then it gives you hosting tips. So that's kind of fun. Let me look at this box and see, because this is my first specialty box. Yep, this is just like every other box. I have 4 different kinds of tea, and I have these because they have sent me a loose tea. And I love that they are so thorough that when they send you loose tea, they don't want to assume that you have an infuser. So they send you this muslin bag, which if you want to use it, you absolutely can. You can use it, rinse it out, and reuse it. Or if rinsing this out and reusing it doesn't sound like something you want to do, they send you paper tea bags and you just put your loose teas in here. And I should also mention that I love that they have added to the tea bags their own little Sips By. So now when they used to just be the strings and end, and now they have the little, I think it's adorable. Anyway, so when you get loose teas from them, you have a means of dealing with it, even if you don't have an infuser. And I think that's just a really great thing. Okay, so let's look at my teas real quickly and decide which one we want to make because, of course, I brought up a cup to make some nice tea in. Okay. I'll tell you what we're going to do. We're just going to take the cutest one right off the top. Because yes, you can win me over with packaging. And this is Cupid's Tea's Be Mine Somebody Loves Me Tea. Black tea smitten with rose, chocolate, and strawberry. Oh, I think we made a good choice. That is what that looks like. And let's see what the paperwork says. The Cupid's Tea Somebody Loves Me Tea Sips By Loose Leaf Women. And that's who makes it. So Sips By means that's who makes the tea, like Sips By David's Teas or Sips By the Republic of Tea. This is Sips By Loose Leaf Women. And use 1 teaspoon per 8 ounces of water in 212 degrees for 3 to 5 minutes. And this is loose leaf back tea, rose petals, natural chocolate flavors, natural strawberry flavors, cocoa nibs, dark chocolate chips, and strawberries. Guys, we did a good job. Sometimes we need a reminder of how much we are loved. This rich black tea is smitten with rose petals, chocolate, and strawberry that will let your hearts soar. And also, if you like any of these teas, you can just go onto your Sips By into your account and purchase any of them. And generally, they are all discounted. Like this says that you will get 20% off with code Sips By. All right, oh my goodness. I have not even opened it. All I did was rip the seal off the top. And I can already smell it. It smells amazing. So I'm going to take a teaspoon of this, and I did not bring a teaspoon up, so honestly, I'm going to use the palm of my hand. And I'm going to put it in one of these handy dandy bags that they sent us. And we will set it to steepen. It is high caffeine, so good it is early in the day here because we're going to have a wound up Catherine. I am very sensitive. Oh, look how gorgeous this is, guys. how pretty that tea is. So big and chunky. They're not sending you the powder at the bottom of the barrel. This is gorgeous. I look like about a teaspoon to me. How about you? Oh, it smells, oh my goodness, it smells like chocolate. This would have been way more effective if I had brought a spoon up. And yet we pulled it off. Yep, I'd say we've got about a teaspoon's worth in there. So I'm just going to pull this tight, just like you. There you go. And we will take my cup and just set it to steepen. Oh my gosh, already. Oh, I cannot wait. I have been dieting for what feels like forever now, but especially well the last month or two. And that smells like such a wonderful treat. There is a lot in here. That is full. I mean, that bag is full, so that is way more. It says it takes 1 teaspoon. This is way more than 4 servings. Way more. Okay, next we have the Soulmate Organic Yerba Mate Mocha Blend. And this is organic yerba, cocoa, coffee, coconut milk, vanilla, and raw coconut sugar. And that is what the packaging looks like. Let's see what the paperwork says. This looks, this box, I mean, chocolate. Yes. This says that it is 1 tablespoon per 16 ounces of water. 16 ounces of water. Wow. So to make a cup, you could probably use scant a tablespoon. And 4 minutes at 212. And it is high caffeine. And it says this rich and delicious blend is an incredible mood lifter without dairy or refined sugar. Enjoy it in your favorite mug or the traditional Argentinian way with a bombilla straw and gourd. Well, I don't happen to have a gourd laying around, so I'm going to have to use a cup when I use it, but let's get in here. I have to know what these things smell like. I don't think I know about yerba. I think yerba might be new to me. Tell me below about yerba if you know what that is. Is it a type of tea? All right. Oh, it's green. Okay. Oh, it smells like green tea. Oh, it smells good though. It's really light. It has a very light smell. And that's what it looks like. So yeah, I would say yerba is some type of green tea. And like I said, it's big chunks. Oh, I can't wait to try that. So now that they've mentioned the Argentinian over here, I'm going to go ahead and revise this and say that it's not Soulmate, that it's Soul Mate. Just going to go ahead and do that. Next we have the Roasted Herbal Tea by Ticino Bouquet Chocolate Raspberry, and it is caffeine and acid free. And that is what that looks like. Well, let's go ahead and open one of these up and see what it smells like. It doesn't seem fair not to smell this. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This smells like raspberries dipped in chocolate. That is, I am not even a huge raspberry fan, and this smells. The inside of the bag, just amazing, was the end of that sentence. The inside of the bag is even foiled so that it stays fresh. Oh my goodness. Oh, I wish I had another cup of water up here. Oh, that smells amazing. And it's caffeine free, so I can have it in the evening as a dessert. I can't wait. Let's see what the paperwork says, and I will go back to holding one of these. Chocolate Raspberry Sips by Ticino. 1 bag, 8 ounces of water, 3 to 5 minutes at 212. And it's organic roasted carob, organic barley, chicory, ramon seeds, natural chocolate and raspberry flavors, and organic cocoa powder. Oh, it's going to be so good. Who can resist a luscious chocolate cake dotted with crimson raspberries? Enjoy this delicious brew unsweetened or add a touch of maple syrup to boost the fruitiness. I probably wouldn't add maple syrup. That smells, I cannot express to you. You know, a lot of times we do these and things do smell good. I don't say they smell good unless they smell good. That needs a new word for good. That smells amazing. Okay, last but not least, I have Tealightful Chocolate Chai. Yum. Chai is absolutely one of my favorites. If I had to pick my favorite teas, I would say definitely in my top 3 to 5, I would have chai, Earl Grey. Who doesn't love an Earl Grey? Anything with any of the chocolates in them. Oh, I'm drawing a blank now all of a sudden. Oh, but chai is up there, and add chocolate to chai? Yeah. That is what that looks like. Let's see what the paperwork says, and then we will smell this too. The Chocolate Chai Sips by Tealightful. You use 1 teaspoon in 205 to 212 degree. That's very specific. Steep for 4 to 5 minutes. And it's organic black tea, organic cardamom, cinnamon, cloves, cacao shells, nutmeg, orange peel, natural organic compliant chocolate, and spice flavors. It is high caffeine. This swoon-worthy signature blend is hand-blended in small batches by Tealightful's founder and CEO. Steep it in hot milk and add a dash of your favorite honey. Okay, let's open this up. I have my scissors here, and that's so much more handy. And see what this smells like. Oh my goodness. I'm going to give you 3 guesses what it smells like. And if your first guess isn't chocolate chai, you're wrong. It smells like chai that they've put just a little bit of chocolate in. And again, let me show you guys this so you know. They send such quality teas. I mean, there's no dust. It's tea. Oh, that smells so good. I'm telling you what, I could have chosen anything to put in that cup and the answer would have been correct. I mean, this is all it's just delicious smelling. I can't wait. Okay, let's get back to tasting this one that we put in the beginning, and it is the Cupid's Tea Somebody Loves Me tea. And it was chocolate and strawberries, and it's left the water really clear, so it'll be interesting to see. Oh, it smells good. Oh, you can totally taste the chocolate. It almost has, in addition to the chocolate and strawberry, I almost feel like I can taste like a butterscotchy taste. Just kind of a nice, low butterscotchy flavor to it. Could just be me, but that's what it kind of tastes like. I say 2 thumbs up. This is a very nice box. So we have the Tealightful Chocolate Chai and this one that we just tried, and the chocolate raspberry from Ticino, and the Soul Mate, which is the yerba, which is also a mocha blend. So we had basically 4 chocolate teas in some way mixed with raspberries or strawberries or the chai. It's just yum. I like it so much. Again, if you have any interest in Sips By, I will put my link below. You go to the link and use Kathryn5 and it will get you $5 off your first box. Thank you so much for coming by. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. And although we are not there yet, we are still in the prep phases. I hope you have a great Valentine's Day. Bye, guys.